Hey everybody, as promised, I have the second box of Inception. The first box, that video is already up if you want to check it out. It's only a few minutes long because there's only 7 cards in the box, so it's one of those quick hit and move on boxes. These don't cost a ton. Usually I don't like these boxes very much, but these are pretty affordable. I guess you only get one autograph, but I mean, right now you'd pay $150 for a box of Optic football and only get one autograph. So this is, you know, well less than half that price. So for now, I don't know. We'll see. If it's a really strong product, of course the price will go up. So, but anyways, I'm not gonna talk it to death. I guess I will show the odds again, just in case somebody wants to see them and didn't watch the first video. My first pack was pretty fat. Let's see what this, and I had a decent hit. This one is pretty fat too. The cards are thicker stock though, so it's kind of hard to tell anything from that. There are possible books in here, booklets. I would think if I had one of those it would be thicker than this. So alright, do it like I did it yesterday and just roll them out of here. Alright, card number 1 is Dennis Santana rookie card for the Dodgers. I'll go ahead and show the back again in case you didn't watch video 1. Number 2 is sweet Ozzy Albies. I like him. The Braves are pretty loaded. I'm guessing they're going to have a good season. Alright, number 3. Giancarlo Stanton for the Yankees. Number 4 is Jake Cave rookie card. So that's 4. I'm gonna skip. I think that should be the hit, and then there are like 2 parallels. I'm about to drop these cards though, and I don't want to do that. So I've done messed this up, I think. Well, let's just pull it out. There's my hit. Dylan Cousins red parallel. This is on card to 75. Considering he's wearing a Phillies uniform, the red parallel, that looks really good together. Alright, what else do we have floating around back here? There is Heath Fillmyer green rookie parallel. And then the last one, I could see it looked a little weird. Look at that. It is... Who is this? It is Jeff McNeil, 101. Jeff McNeil. Let's see, his 2018 stats. Oh yeah. Well, he hit 329 with 3 home runs, 19 RBIs, 7 stolen base, 35 runs. I don't think he played the whole season though. 2018 he began pounding extra base hits while rarely striking out, thanks to, according to manager Mickey Callaway, great barrel awareness. So cool, a 101. It's funny though, it's yeah, okay, it's metal like glued onto a paper backing, so it's not your standard, it doesn't feel like your standard printing plate. Cool, a 101 and a, I think this is a pretty good autograph. Nice. Well, that's 2, you know, I think both my boxes are pretty decent. I might pick up 1 or 2 more and check those out. I wanted to see, I didn't want to go too crazy with it. I wanted to see, you know, what the product looked like and what came out of it, of course, before I bought more. So, but that's pretty strong, I think. I don't know. I'll watch some breaks and see how everybody else does. Let me know how you're doing with this stuff in the comments below if you're opening any Inception. That's it for today, kids. I'll be back. I've got more new stuff coming this week. Yeah, this week a couple of new releases are coming out. There's a lot of stuff coming down the pipeline though, for real, and I will have it all, well, most of it for you. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care. I'll be back soon.